Alright, let's see if we can see any cicadas. You can hopefully hear the sound that they're making. This is in Maryland in 2021. It is June 2021. We're in the middle of the cicada brood. Oh, there's some. There's a butterfly. I hope the camera is capturing it. You can see them all in the trees, flying along. There's one. Just all over the place. From my understanding, this only happens a certain number of years. I think they said that the next brood, the one that will follow this one, will be in another 17 years. So looking at 2038 or so. You can see in the windowsill, if you can see down there, whoops, this is where a lot of the cicadas ended up. You can see along the house some of their shells, or husks, I don't know. I'm not an entomologist. Anytime any of these leaves are moving, you can see that it's cicadas. There's another one. See if we can find one up close. The hotter it gets, the louder they sound. Today is, I think, the hottest day of the season we've had so far. It's about 90 degrees out right now. It was about 93 earlier. Trying to see if there are any in the immediate vicinity that we can zoom in on. Let's go for a walk in the grass. Maybe we'll see one. Well, here's a dead one. See them all over the place. Here's another dead one. Most of the live ones are up in the trees right now. Oh, here's one. Just landed on the window. Let's see if we can get this one. Here we go. There's one. They land on the windows all day. You can see them moving around. Yeah. So that's what they look like. You can see them flying all over the place, all up throughout the trees. There's another one flying. These are really tall trees, and they are just, I hope the video is capturing it, all over in the branches from the bottom to the top. You can see some up there. Here's some. Anywho, so that is what it looks like in 2021. Last year we had the pandemic, this year we have the plague. We'll see what happens next year.